Welcome back to my channel, guys. In this video I'm going to show you how to sew a cowl neck dress without a pattern. Okay, so if you're looking at how to go about sewing a cowl neck dress like this without drafting on a pattern first, you should continue watching this video because I'll be cutting directly on the fabric. I don't need to draft it on the pattern first before transferring to the fabric, so everything is just going to be freehand. Okay, so I'm just folding my fabric here into two like this, and I'm going to just draft a basic bodice block because it is a blouse, right? A sleeveless blouse. So the aim is to show you how to cut achieve the cowl effect on the front without using a pattern, right? So I'm just going ahead to mark out the full length of my blouse. As you can see, I'll go ahead and get my shoulder and I'll mark it, my shoulder, half of my shoulder. I'll mark it, then I'll mark my shoulder slope from there of 1 inch. Then from the shoulder slope I'll mark my armhole or my chest line, right? Then I'm going to connect it with a straight line like this. This is to enable me to create my armhole curve, which I have already created right now. I'll go ahead and mark my neck width. I'm just going to do the standard neck width basic, which is 3 by 1 for the back. I'll connect it like this and then create my shoulder slope. So on my chest line, I'm going to attach my bust circumference, that's a quarter of my bust, then my seam allowance, added seam allowance of 1.5 inches. Then I'll get from my shoulder, I'll get my waist, and I have 16 inches, and on that line I'm going to put my waist, a quarter of my waist, right, and my seam allowance. So I will just connect it like this to the hem, like this. Okay, so this is a basic block and this is for the back. That is just it. So I'm going to cut this out and I'm going to use this, remember this is the back, we're going to use this as a guide to cut out the front, right? So I would go ahead and cut this out. I've already cut it out and here is what I did. I folded another fabric into two and I'm going to place the back on it. So usually you just place your back on it like this, right? But once I place it like this, I'm going to tilt the top like this, so you create space for the cowl neck here. Okay, so the space you're creating it depends on, but make sure that this part I'm touching now, the tip, that is the folded area of the front, is matching the folded area of the back. Now for this cowl effects, the space you create depends on how deep you want the cowl neck to be, right? So the farther you go, the deeper the cowl neck is going to be. So I want mine to be 8 inches exactly, as you can see. If you don't want your cleavage to show, you can do from 5 inches to 6 inches. If you even want it deeper, you can go as far as 10 inches. That means your cleavage is going to show really well, right? So but I'm going to just do 8 inches. So I've created the space in front for my cowl. Now I am going to just arrange everything well. You know, the fabric is light. So on my neck width there for my front, I'm just going to draw a straight line. Just draw a straight line, as you can see me doing. Okay, that's on the shoulder. From the shoulder there, I'll go ahead and use the front as a guide the back as a guide to cut the front. So I'll start cutting from the side, that is from here. Okay, I'll start cutting from there. So please guys, if you're still watching up to this point and you're not yet subscribed, please click on the subscribe button. It is absolutely free. Like this video so more people can see it, and please share and drop a comment in the comment section. Also turn on your notification bell so you get notified each time I post a new video. Thank you so much. So as you can see what I am cutting, okay, I'm cutting on that marked straight line that I marked, then on the shoulder like this, right? So I'm done cutting this out, and now go ahead and cut the down area, which is like slanty. Yeah, so you cut it out to be the same as the front. That is it. That is how to cut a cowl neck without a pattern. This is just how to create a cowl neck without drafting on the pattern first. That is the slash and spread. This is freehand method, and it's pretty easy. So this is what it looks like, or it will look like. This is the shoulder, right? So once it drops like this, the cowl effect has been formed, right? That is just it. I'll go ahead and cut out a facing for this, the front area, and also a facing for the back. Okay, so I've cut out the facing, and this is what I have. The facing I cut out is just from this top to the armhole area. Okay, remember that this is the shoulder, and once you join it to the back, this is how it will drop. So this is the facing that I cut out. As you can see, I cut it out all the way down to the shoulder area. I am going to use it and turn it. I also cut out a facing for the back, and I'm going to join everything up from the shoulder to the sides. It's pretty much easy, and that is all for this tutorial. My main aim is just to show you how to cut a cowl neck without a pattern. So I'll go ahead and join the shoulders, join the front and the back and the sides, and it's pretty much easy. And that is all for the tutorial, guys. This is what the outcome looks like. Thank you so much for watching this short and straightforward simple video. I'm going to see you in my next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on your notification and share. Thank you. Bye.